Say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K,
L,
M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, no, W, X, Y, Z. But you have to say Z.
You say Z?
Z.